looks like it's a 13. So we have this elongated bar here which seems to go in nicely. Yeah, it's just been undone now. It's coming away. Oh, there's movement on that now. What might be best is to just undo this side. Around where you can actually slide that plate around. It's going to be tricky obviously securing that down now. There is some slight movement here on the battery, so the battery will definitely fit. It's just obviously making sure we get that on so there's no movement in the battery before you obviously start driving and using the vehicle. It's very important that this battery is secured down. The last thing you want is for it to pop off or lift off whilst you're driving. Okay, so this is what I found out, and this is why I love Saabs. This whole thing slides out. It took me about 5 minutes to realise there seems to be quite a bit of oil on that connection there. So something maybe to look into. Quite a lot of oil down there, but that intercooler area is split again. So that needs working on. But that's there. You can screw that down now. Hopefully never have to do this again, as in I've been just taking the battery off and charging it up for a few days until I thought it's time to buy a new battery. Normally it's a very cold morning, 3-4 degrees, and this battery wouldn't start. The Halfords, this battery was £115 in Halfords. I actually picked it up on the internet for £88. The same battery, 5-year guarantee. I had Halfords for a battery checker on, checked the cells, checked the voltage, checked everything. They also checked the starter motor and alternator. They said everything was fine, but that battery has definitely got a fault. So if we watch now, the car should just start straight away. Go. So normally that wouldn't happen, so that's an indication that the battery is now good, and that's another thing done, another problem solved. I'm just going to take an extra precautionary measure and put some foam just so this battery can't slide around. It seems quite solid, but I just want to make sure it doesn't move whilst the vehicle's in transit.